Today I wanted to talk about a tweet that I saw from Jason Lemkin, and he says, Cursor and Windsurf will write half my code or even more for just $20 a month, and you want to charge me $2 to close each trouble ticket with AI? Let's see if that lasts. So there's two things I want to chat about here. I mean, one is the whole concept of vibe coding, which is what he's kind of chatting about with Windsurf and Cursor. These are the two most popular tools for sort of vibe coding. And then the second thing I want to chat about is the whole $2 to close each trouble ticket. It's a new AI pricing model, right? Resolution-based pricing. So I want to chat about both of them. But first, like, you've done a little bit of vibe coding yourself. What is vibe coding?
Vibe coding, if you haven't used, there's tons of tools like Replit Agent, Windsurf. I think Cursor is a bit farther on like the dev spectrum that basically allow you to create apps yourself by just typing in natural language. Honestly, every day there's a new one that pops up, and they're getting better and better and better to the point where, like, I know people who are creating like full-on applications that are like used by multiple people just straight up in Replit Agent without touching a line of code. I'm sure you see it on Twitter. It's kind of crazy to see, but I think the biggest thing that it points to is that the floor for what's considered, software that someone would pay for, I think is rising pretty dramatically.
Yeah.
And like my take on this is that, when it comes to like this resolution-based pricing, like it started off cool, but I think it's going to die pretty fast because things that are simple enough to price based on resolution are probably going to be the first things to get fully automated by personal software.
The classic phrase in like B2B SaaS land is always build versus buy, right? And what that means is, like, are you going to buy software that does the thing for you, or are you going to build it yourself?